In today's video, we are going to show you how to install the Terabox app on your mobile device. Let's begin. Terabox is basically a cloud storage app that offers up to 1 terabyte of free storage for photos, videos, and files. Now think of it like a Google Drive or Dropbox, but it's known for offering a very large amount of free storage using your mobile device. All I have to do is super simple. If you go to the official website, which is terabox.com, you would notice that it's free to download on Google Play. All I have to do is click the Google Play Store, which will forward you to the app itself. Make sure you select the official app from the correct developer. Now all I have to do is tap on it to install and wait for the app to download and install. Okay, since I have my Terabox already installed, all I have to do is click the open. All right, in a separate video, we have another tutorial on how to create an account here in Terabox that you might be interested to watch. Okay, now for example, if installation stalls, you might want to check your internet connection, free up storage, and update the Play Store or system, because sometimes install issues can happen if storage or compatibility is limited. Now, another thing that you need to consider is that go to your mobile device app system, go to app management, and go to app list, and then search for Terabox. You want to make sure that you allow the storage and photos to be accessed here in Terabox, because this helps the app back up and manage your files properly. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to install Terabox on your mobile device. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.